Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our compact hard shell Starlink Mini Dish Kit carry case. It's designed to safely hold everything you'll need for your Starlink Mini either at home or on the go. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The case can hold the Starlink wall plug power supply, a DC power cable, an Ethernet cable, both the kickstand mount and the pipe adapter mount, and on top, the Starlink Mini Dish. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a soft, convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. This case is perfect for traveling or for storing everything safely at home. Remember, anyone can sell a generic case and make you do all the difficult customization on your own. Only Case Club pre-cuts the interior specifically for the Starlink Mini for a professional look and unmatched protection. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.